Okay.
My name's Ariel, and I'm going to show you how to be a parent. First, take your baby to the butt.
Okay.
Next, we teach the baby how to cook. Preheat it. Next, we take the baby out for a little outdoor activities, like kickball. Next, we take the baby for a walk. Strap her in real good, nice and tight, around the neck. Go. Now we're going to go to the grocery store with the baby. Remember to always use the proper safety harnesses for your child, because if not, bad things can happen. Now we make proper sleeping arrangements for our baby. We always want to make sure it's somewhere safe and somewhere where we can hear it. So I choose the dresser drawer. Now we've got time for baby. Make sure to always supervise your baby during bath time. Yay.